Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today I have quite a number of things to do. I have to go to town, so I've just woken up. It is 8 a.m. in the morning, and so I'm going to put my mask. This is coffee black mask. That's what I use on my skin. So I'm going to put my mask. I go in the kitchen, I clean my kitchen, I wash the utensils, and then I'm going to leave beans in water because that's what I feel like preparing today. And then after, I'm going to go and shower and leave for town. Okay, so I'm going to town. I'm going to shop. I have quite a number of things that I have to shop today. I have to buy my material to make my birthday outfit. I have to buy material for my customer because she needs a suit too. I'm going to buy everything today, and what else? Hopefully I'll get pillows because I need more pillows. I need like 3 pillows because this is not enough. I'm used to sleeping in many pillows, and guys, I haven't, like, I feel like my room is not yet okay for me to give you a tour, but I'll do it as soon as I get done with everything. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Let me go in my mirror and I put this mask, and then we see what is next. Okay. So guys, this is my mask. This is how it feels like this is how it looks like. It feels so good. No, this is a coffee black mask, but it smells like chocolate. That's one thing I love about it. It's so I'm going to go and do other things in the kitchen, and then I'll come back, do other things that in the kitchen, get prepared, and then I wash it. That will take like 40 minutes or 30 minutes, and then I go to the bathroom and shower. So I'm done with soaking the beans, so I'm going to leave them here for like 4 hours, and then when I come back they will be ready. They will be soft enough for me to put them in the pressure cooker. Then I'll cook them for like 40 minutes, and then I prepare my lunch. So would take little time. So I always in the morning I always think about my kitchen. I don't know why, but I can't do anything when my kitchen is not organized. So this is what I almost do every day. If I don't clean, in most cases I clean my kitchen before I go to sleep, or every after I finish maybe preparing supper or evening tea, because I rarely eat supper. I clean the utensils and I make sure my kitchen is tied up, because in the morning I seriously can't do anything if my kitchen is not tied up. So I prefer seeing a kitchen that is clean when it has no things on the counter and all that. I don't want to see anything dirty in a sink. So it's always a struggle. It's always torturing me in the morning, and I have to be there before I do anything. Before I even brush my teeth, that's what I do first. So that's what I was doing, and then after I went for a cup of tea, black tea, and yeah, because I usually take warm water and plus lemon, something like that. But this morning I was feeling so weak, and I decided to take some tea, black tea, just tea, because I'm not good at breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person. So after there, I went and selected the clothes that I was going to put on, because that's a struggle too, because I rarely prepare clothes before I mean in the evening if I'm going to travel in the morning. So after there, I always make sure before I do everything, before I start my day, like before I start on my tasks, I go ahead and journal. So the day fact that I'm going to over move in town, I realized I was going to come back when I'm so tired. So I decided to leave the beans on while they are preparing, and I decided to put my rice here. I wanted to prepare a posho, but I decided to put the rice here. Of course, I'm going to leave when it's ready, and I'll come and prepare this. So yeah, I decided to leave this because I realize I'm going to come back when I'm tired. That's why I decided to do this. Okay, and I'm going to take long. I usually take long when I'm preparing. So yeah, it's really going to help me. Before I go, it's going to help me. So I'm leaving this here and then the rice on. So when I come, I just fry the beans and then I eat because I'm going to come back when I'm hungry. I've not eaten breakfast. So yeah, feeling you get after peeling off that mask, it is just incredible. It is incredible. I think you can see me. I was saying, wow, it was so nice. I felt so good. I felt like, look at my skin. I mean, look at my skin. For someone who has been struggling with skin, like it has been breaking. It has been breaking so much, but I'm so in love with it. And I'm going to continue taking care of my skin. And I just love it. I just do love it. I love this mask. I love the results. I love my skin. I'm so in love with my skin. Guys, these days I move without makeup, without foundation, without anything because I'm so in love with my skin. I'm just in love. So I hope you like it and buy that mask. Hey guys, so I'm done with preparing myself. I've done most of the things that I have to do when I come back. That's why I've delayed. I have some makeup, simple makeup on me, just and we are putting on this cap because I wanted to be simple because I'm going to overmove. Like I have a lot of things that I have to buy and tebidi wamu. I have to move up and down like here and there and then I get them. So I decided to be simple. I'm putting on this. This is my outfit. I don't know whether I'll have it, but look at my skin. Look at this foundation, baby girl. It's doing it. So I have this floral shirt and then I have these boyfriend pants. I hope you can see it. Yeah, and then my open shoes because I'm going to town. I'm going to town and I want it to be simple, so that's what we are going for. That is the look we are going for. And then I'm going to first go to the bank, and then when I come back I prepare my sauce and then I eat because I've not eaten anything and I'm going to overmove. So see you in town. I'm not going to be vlogging in town because, baby girl, I love my phone. I don't want it to be snatched, but yeah, that's what we are going for. And bye. See you. Hey loves, good morning. Well, today is the next day. Yesterday I went for shopping and today is the next day. So I'm going to film what I wanted to show you everything that I shopped in this video, but I realized it's going to be too long. So I'm going to make a separate video about what I shopped yesterday and it's going to be next after this video. That's it. That's what I wanted to tell you today, and kindly go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. And to today's video, I would like to shout out to the following people. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for stopping by and for supporting. Kindly go ahead and leave a comment if you want a shout out in my next video. And for today's vlog, it's going to stop here, but watch out for part 2 of my video, of this video that I'm going to be showing you everything that I shopped. I'm so excited and I realized it was going to be too long, so that's why I decided to make a separate video, so watch out for that. Otherwise, thank you for being there. Thank you for subscribing and for supporting. I remain Shaki, my love, and I'm saying bye. Good night.